What's going on, guys? This is Chris from Subimods, and we're back again today with our 22 BRZ. So you'll notice something is a little bit different. We have some big old brakes here from Blitz, and the team has been hard at work last night and this morning getting them installed, and today we are going to be bleeding them, going to bet them on the road and get them all broken in. So what we have here, guys, is a big brake kit from Blitz. This is a 6-pot, 4-pot. There's a 350, 330. This brake system utilizes the same brake pads front and rear. They also utilize a quick clip system for the brake pads, just like you would see on any performance track car. Easy track side repair, easy in and out with the brake pads. So as you can see, Brendan's going through, he is double checking all the bolts, making sure everything is tight and torqued down. I'm gonna help him bleed the brakes, that way the system is perfect, no air bubbles. We're gonna get that nice and good. Once he's all done with that, we're gonna grab JD, we're gonna drive the car around and bet the brakes and get these things broken in and ready for some abuse. We're gonna get into it today, guys. Let's get into it. I'm gonna go help Brendan. So you may ask why we need a 6-pot, 4-pot giant brake system for a 228 horsepower car. The answer is simple: none ya business. So we were just tallying up the total cost of the parts plus the car, and I think we determined that we're just about at the price of the car, maybe like the base price of the car. So with the brakes, the suspension, the wheels, the seats, the steering wheel, short shifter, we got the Blitz, the matching Blitz handbrake over here, matches the brakes really well. All the Kansai service, bracing, the Cusco suspension parts, yeah, everything. And the vinyls, just probably about shy of 30 grand. The title of this video should be, how to sink 30 grand into a Subaru and still make 228 horsepower. Good night, everybody. All right, guys, so Brendan and I just got done bleeding the brakes, and we're gonna go out and bet them right now. So that just means basically breaking them in, breaking in the pads and everything. We're gonna do some hard stops, and then we're probably gonna come back and re-bleed them because this is a dual bleeder system, and those sometimes do require just 2 bleeding cycles just to make sure you get every bit of air, every single last air bubble out of the brake line. So if you wanna follow along, I'm gonna go grab some more wheels and put them on, and then we're gonna go out on the road as Brendan eats pizza. Because he did a lot of hard work today and he deserves some pizza. Actually, yesterday and today, he's been working very hard. Round of applause for Brendan, everybody. #1 support guy here. Which wheels should we choose? Rosenstein's it is. Because what's better than putting $4,000 wheels over your $6,000 brakes is putting $400 wheels over your $6,000 brakes. Just kidding, Rosenstein, we love you. So to confirm, 18 by 8.5, 45 does fit over a giant brake kit. Don't ask me how I know, but not these specific Rosensteins, but Rosenstein wheels will take a full curb bonk. Don't ask me how I know that. Don't hit the big brakes, don't hit the big brakes, don't hit the big brakes. Those cost more than my life. Spot, I should call it. Oh, we're gonna die.
Wow, those are some brakes.
Woo! What's up, guys? Real quick, we just wanted to plug the tire shop that helps us out the most. If you're local in Connecticut, around the Hartford, Bloomfield area, definitely check out Burhose Automotive. They do tires, alignments, they really are some of the best. They hook up every single one of the cars that we do here. They have never ever damaged one of our wheels. They've always aligned our cars perfectly straight. They also help us, the employees, out with our motorsports endeavors. These guys mount all of our tires and we always rep them. So we just wanted to plug them real quick. They've helped us out. They've mounted the tires for this car, actually all the sets of wheels that we have for this car, all of our cars. But yeah, if you're in the Hartford, Bloomfield area, check out Burhose Automotive. Charlie back there will get you right. Also, if you like lifted trucks and stuff, they love that. Check out Charlie's Suburban.